According to rumors, the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung's 2024 flagship, would launch as early as mid-January of next year. This indicates that Samsung's next flagship phone will be available in less than 2 months. As we get closer to the projected launch date, more leaks regarding the phone are appearing online. With its iPhone-style titanium frame and flat display, today's leak provides us our first real-world look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Ex-user David Martin revealed photographs of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in what seems to be the titanium gold hue on the platform earlier this month. Looking at them, it's clear that the S24 Ultra will feature an even flatter design than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The phone in the photograph is not a fake item, and the display is turned on in one of the photos. With the sharp edges pressing into your palm, the flat frame of the S24 Ultra might make it difficult to operate with one hand. According to all the reports, Samsung's next flagship phone will be a refinement of the Galaxy S23 Ultra rather than a major departure. Despite the transition to a flat screen, the display size is likely to stay the same at 6.8 inch, with the surrounding bezels being reduced as well. Apart from the normal speed increases, the S24 Ultra will employ a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, which promises a slew of on-device AI capabilities. The Galaxy S models for next year may introduce a new feature dubbed Samsung Gauss, a proprietary generative AI model. Given the present prevalence of AI applications like ChatGPT and Google Bar, the debut of Gauss would not be surprising. The Galaxy S24 family might benefit from its intriguing arrival. Interestingly, Samsung may employ its in-house Exynos processor for the S24 and S24 Plus models in Europe and Asia, with the Snapdragon chip staying unique to the Ultra. On the S24 Ultra next year, the camera configuration is not expected to alter much. Samsung seems to want to replace the 10x telephoto lens with a larger, higher-resolution 5x sensor. Despite the decrease in zoom range, the new sensor should take better photos due to its apparently bigger size, which allows it to absorb more light. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.